If you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, but researching topics, writing scripts, creating voiceovers, making videos, thumbnails, and SEO feels like a full-time job, AutoChannel AI is worth a closer look. And before we begin, this is an affiliate review. If you purchase through my link, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. So, what exactly is AutoChannel AI? According to the official sales page, AutoChannel AI is an all-in-one AI platform designed to automate much of the faceless YouTube content creation process. It claims to handle niche research, content ideas, scripts, AI voiceovers, faceless video creation, thumbnails, titles, descriptions, tags, SEO, and publishing. And that's what makes the concept interesting. Normally, YouTube automation can mean managing several different tools, one for research, another for scripts, another for voiceovers, video creation, thumbnails, and SEO. AutoChannel AI is trying to bring much of that workflow together, reducing the amount of tool switching and manual work involved. The platform also claims support for more than 100 languages, which could be useful if you want to target different markets. But there's one important thing to understand. Automation does not guarantee views, subscribers, or income. The sales page includes income-related marketing claims, including a potential figure of up to $278.32 per day. I would treat that strictly as a vendor-stated claim, not a guaranteed result. Your actual results will depend on your niche, topic selection, content quality, thumbnails, titles, consistency, competition, and whether viewers actually want to watch your videos. So I wouldn't look at AutoChannel AI as a magic passive income machine. Think of it more as a production and productivity tool. For beginners, faceless channel creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, and businesses, the all-in-one workflow could be useful if managing multiple tools is your biggest problem. The vendor also promotes commercial licensing, which could make the platform interesting for people creating videos for clients. But check the current license terms before relying on that for a business. Now let's talk about the offer. At the time of this review, the official page advertises AutoChannel AI at $14.97 as a one-time payment, along with lifetime access, commercial licensing, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. These are vendor-stated promotional terms, so check the current offer before purchasing because pricing and bonuses can change. So, is AutoChannel AI worth considering? Its strongest selling point isn't the promise of making money automatically. It's the attempt to combine a complicated faceless YouTube workflow into one AI-powered platform. If you're already comfortable handling everything manually, you may not need every feature. But if you want to simplify content production and spend less time jumping between different tools, this is where AutoChannel AI could be interesting. The smartest approach is to let AI handle repetitive production work while you stay in control of your niche, topics, quality, thumbnails, titles, and final publishing decisions. If you want to check the current features, pricing, and offer for yourself, I'll leave the link below. And if this review helped you, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, automation software, and online business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.